Okay. So on the bench here is this very cool carrying case, and in it is an old Bernina. I've never had one of these to work on before, so this is going to be pretty interesting to check out. Looks like it's got the power cord and the pedal, so that's good. The wiring on that is not shot. It is older though. Let's see now. This is a record, and it was sold by the Netchie Sewing Center of Rockford, Illinois. Interesting. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish unpacking this, I guess, and see. Got a broken plastic bracket that held the table extension in. So we'll get that in order. It's got a knee bar controller. So you can set it up with a knee bar or the pedal, it looks like. So I guess we'll have to see how that works. And what's in the side here? Oh, look at, there's a card. Wow. I'll have to check out what that might be for. It's got some embroidery attachments in here with the other feet. Okay, well, I guess we'll get this out on the bench and get a look at it. Alright, first things first. Let's take a look around. Looks like we got bobbin winder under this door. Oh, and there's the engage. Alright. Cool. That door is loose. I guess we'll see about that later. Oh, and the top just pops open. Look at this. Beautiful metal inside. It's been sitting for a bit because there's dust in everywhere that it can drift right through the top here, but we'll take a minute to get some oil on everything here that moves. And there is a dot of red paint on every location that you should oil on a machine. So that's pretty clever. Oh. Now I see that there is a detent in here that is stuck that I might have to try and release, but otherwise this machine Looks lovely inside. The top end open. All right, well, let's All right, I'm going to move the camera and we'll take a look on the bottom side of this. Okay, so let's get this needle out of here. Quick change foot pops right off, so that's nice. They've got a spike here and then just a lever to lock the foot onto the bottom of the pin there. And this is a class 15 bobbin case, looks like. It's got a standard looking class 15 bobbin in it, so some Berninas have a weird size bobbin in them, so that's why check and look at that, but that feels good. Now, how does one pop the needle plate out? Or for that matter, the hook race. How does that come off? Alright, well, we're going to have to do some exploring to see how to get this to open up a little bit. Yeah, that turns, so we're definitely not going to unscrew that. Oh, excellent. Alright. There's a hook right here. Popping that hook is what released the front of the hook race. And our hook feels good. It's got an interesting cut on the back side of it here. That's not standard for a class 15 machine. So that must be a Bernina but alright, now I guess I do need to look up, try very carefully, nope, I'm reaching up from underneath, Nope. Oh, there's a screw. There's a pair of screws under there holding that in. And also, look at all the filth. So that needle plate can't come out without serious work, and there's a ton of filth up under there. Well, that's interesting. Alright. How does... Well, wipe this machine off a bit, I guess. Oh, that's the darning it. That's the darning arm. This arm lifts the darning foot for that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna polish this machine up a little bit, and then we'll see about plugging it in and giving it a little bit of an exercise. Alright, so we plug this in. The light works, but the belt is very loose on this machine. Yeah. Okay, let's... see if it makes any pattern stuff while it's spinning here. Yes, it seems to be following the pattern cams. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna have to pop that off and get the belt done, so... Alright. Exciting, exciting. Set that aside. Let's see. Power cord. Ah. This power cord is of an age that I don't actually like the idea of letting it hit the ground because it's plastic that might break, but let's see what getting our... Yep. Alright, let's... The end cover here looks like it pops straight off, but the hand wheel is bigger than it is. Yeah, and that belt is super loose. Look how much I can move that hand wheel without even getting the cover open. So, let's see about taking these screws off. I don't actually know how to get this buttonhole lever on the end down. Okay, we're shifted to zigzag and zigzag and Yeah, I can see how dirty that belt is in there, but I need to figure out how to get this. There we go. Alright, don't know what that... Oh, it's slightly sprung forward. Okay. I do have to lift it forward to get it to snap down, but... Oh, this belt is just shredded in here. That shouldn't be loose like that. Alright. Both of these belts are just complete trash. So, definitely have to order a set of belts for this. And let's see... Okay, that was just a pin. Figure out how this cover comes off of here. Aha! These two screws must hold that motor cover on. Alright. Now, those two screws out. Yep. Cover just lifts off. All this is all that belt shredding. And it looks like it was rubbing here too. So somebody tensioned this belt up, was rubbing on the cover, and that's how this belt started getting shredded. So, alright, now, gotta there. C-clip. These belts are loose, so we can pop this belt off, and it is completely rotted out, just shot. And now both of these belts, or both these pulleys, come off, and that hand wheel and the belt for the hand wheel also completely shot. This is the belt that this coating should be on, like that. So to look up that, and I'm going to need to clean the whole belt area out, because all of this grime and dust and stuff is from those belts disintegrating in here. So oh. Alright, well, I'll finish cleaning this all off, and then we'll go from there.